Welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about how to create Swift command in AutoCAD 3D. Basically, Swift command is generally used for design of coil design and different types of pipe connection design. Easy way of connection to pipe connection in 3D way. They are very easy for work in Swift command. So let's go design Swift command. First of all, when I create the here 3D object right now, when used for command here, this command 3D poly command here, 3D polyline command. When I get 3D poly command, start from this. When I get down direction, when I also click this one and also again show you here, and when click this and again go to back direction. So here we can see that our pipe connection is different way. We will provide the easy from AutoCAD. When I get use for circle here, this is circle right now. When I get the circle, okay, so here we can see that make the simple small joint of circle. So when I use from this create the sketch first of all, then after go to Swift command. So when I will go to Swift command here, when click this Swift, then enter, then also click this line. Look at this, our pipe connection, it will be convert here. When I go to view like that, here view and 2D wireframe. When I go to 2D wireframe and select the shaded here, so like this is our 3D modeling here right now. Easy way of working and our 3D design in AutoCAD. So it is more useful for Swift command. When I get another sketch, I have go to create in our 3D sketch. Now we will make the another sketch. So first of all, again I will show you 3D polyline and create the 3D polyline and use from this line here, then also come from down direction in here, use to here the line and also come from so it is create this our 3D sketch, 3D polyline sketch. When after I will show you circle here. So first of all click the circle right now, this is circle. When enter the circle and make this here the small circle in AutoCAD sketch. When I get the change for particular circle detail, so easily we can change this here. Okay, right now then I will show you the radius has been changed in 20 mm. If I change diameter is 30, so I want to get 30 mm. So it is here the complete from AutoCAD, and after go to move here. Right now when I create the swept command, so first of all we are select this swept. Right now this is swept command. When apply the swept here, apply the swept and click this circle here, then enter. Then also look at this, make the 3D command, 3D design for swept here, like pipe design. When I go to here the shaded, right now this one has been created. When after I will show you move in views here. This one is top view. I have go to presenting top view, bottom view. So it is different views here. We will go to change top view. Look at this top view. Then I also change the bottom view. It's called bottom view. When I get change another right view, show you this is right view also. Then also click front view, like this is front view. So there the different types of view has been proper visible this object, this 3D object. When generally make the pipe connection and other coil design for making swept command, they are very usually and useful for make the swept command. They am showing this another sketch we are create here and make the any spline like that here, arc and spline. They am choosing from arc here. When I make the arc right now, when again I show you the circle here, the circle has been create this one. This is one way has been select this circle. Here make the circle right now. When I go to sweep command, when apply the sweep here and click this, enter and also select. Look at this, here make the pipe connection. So whatever our need and make the sweep command is easily to design form in swift command. When we will make the easy way. So when I get click the circle here, first of all right now this is create the curve here. First of all create the circle, this one. It is make the according to axis. When I get show you the view here, then after I will go to create right now. So here we can see go from view in top, bottom, like when I make the circle according to view here, bottom, right, left, front, look at this here, front view, and I want get right view. So I make the circle here. First simple, make this way and create the small circle. And now when we will go from again 3D view here, when enter the 3D view, so it is make the circle right now. Then I get this is shift command. When I get apply the shift command in this circle, enter and apply. Look at this, it was very useful for make the shift command in spline connection. So this like a pipe joint in shift command. So today has completed the session, and thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe our channel. जानबूझ के काम कर रही है। हाँ जी, मेरे लड़की